your background is from history.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we talk about global technology and development, as our Prime Minister also says,
Yes.
we should
Yes.
develop our country at the global level.
Yes, ma'am.
Global means we go for technology.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how do you relate your area, which is a history background,
Yes, ma'am.
to the development of technology?
Now, development of technology is always a very good phenomena and progressive phenomena rather than. And through history, we learn that all those powers who invested in technology, they were better off. For example, the Mughal India. When Babur had he had invaded with the tanks and the superior military strategy, which he was instrumental in the foundation of the Mughal rule. But thereafter, the Mughals didn't promote the technology as was done in Europe. And as a result, they fell to that very impulse and on that aggrandizement of the European companies. And
So by knowing that, suppose we came to know about, okay, this was the flaw of Mughal
yes, yes,
empire.
yes, ma'am.
So how can we relate this to today's development?
Ma'am, we can relate through that we should always use technology and invest in technology. We should learn from history, not necessarily in only the military domain, everything. The people in history have invested in technology, even at agriculture. Our green revolution was a testimony to that. So that could be done. Our information technology, e-governance, everything. If I can give example of Emperor Ashok, he used edicts, the stones, to propagate his message of dharma, peace and integrity. Now we can, and the same thing a few days ago was being done by Statue of Unity. And now technology, information technology, all that can be used to spread the message of peace, harmony, unity and everything. So that is how it can be done.
Okay, so you were saying that there are, as Sir asked, what are the 5 major problems of Lucknow?
Yes, ma'am.
You said only 3.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the other 2?
And the other two is and 3 are there. I'm sorry, ma'am, I cannot I can think the
Cleanliness, do you feel that Lucknow is very clean as compared to
No.
other cities?
No, I
So
don't
this
think
is
so.
a major problem.
It is a major problem, yes, ma'am.
So
But
how can you make people aware that they should clean the city, or they should clean their
Yes, ma'am.
environment wherever they stay?
yes, ma'am, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and
But then it is, don't you think that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is not that, as it was propagated,
yes, ma'am, that
it's
is
not that successful?
yes, ma'am. It's not that successful.
Why is it so?
Because there was not any incentive. There was the thing that you do it voluntarily. It's okay that all the public spirited citizens, they did contribute, and they were not using any special effort. They were just using some brooms and just cleaning one day. So that is okay. That's a good thing to do. But that won't bring any lasting change if you clean just one day. Now it's a habit. You can just spread through school children that okay, don't spread. You don't have to litter the streets. You don't have to. You have to be.
As a PCS officer,
Yes,
what incentives or what policies you would implement in this regard? Would you like to?
Ma'am, if I get that opportunity, firstly I'll coordinate everything with the municipal bodies. That okay, you should be able to collect all the delivery man, all the sewage things, and the collectors of all the refuse and everything. That should be done properly, door to door step. They are being implemented. It's not that they're not being, but still.
But is it on the part of the municipal bodies, not on the part of the public?
Yeah, I know, but that is
Then
why.
so you have to make public aware of
Yes,
this.
yes, ma'am.
Not spitting, not throwing things here and there. So you cannot, educate all of them. Only a few percentage of the sector is educated, not all.
In that case, I would like to take help of NGOs if they are there and spread the awareness campaigns over there with the help of the schools. And I will go there and try to spread the message over there. That okay, if the future generations of the country are, it will bring definitely a lasting impact. And all through citizen participation, the local units, if the media can be taken help of spreading this, because ultimately it's the citizenry who has to bear the brunt. Maybe it's dengue, maybe it's anything. It is due to uncleanliness. So if the clean hygiene is there, that every citizen can do at their own level. So I will try to do that.
Thank you.